Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp voice message no audio please try later problem. So let's get started. So firstly, what you're going to do is just go to your WhatsApp and then try if it's working or not. So mine is not currently working, let's say. And what you can do is you can go to help and you can go to help center and just ask them over there, and you can have, let's say, search for your problem over there, like uh let's say sorry voice message no audio please try later, like this, and it will give a prompt of messages like this, or that's the solution like this. Or what you can do is just like let the app from the background, let the app go, and just go with the app again and try again. Now you might have the problem solved. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.